If you're planning to get a gun for the first time, there are certain things you need to know. Things you probably won't hear just anywhere. As someone who's planning to get their first gun, you need to know that not every gun on the market is an option, and that's not necessarily because they're not great guns or they're overpriced. It's just that there are guns better suited for new gun owners. If you watch this video, you'll be in luck because we'll show you the 10 best guns for new gun owners in 2024. These guns have user-friendly features, manageable recoil, an affordable price tag, and advanced safety features. Basically, they're guns that give you enough to start shooting effectively. We also have a bonus tip you won't want to miss. So, what do you say about meeting these guns? Alright then, let's get on with it. Arguably the most easygoing rifle you can find, the Henry US Survival AR-7 is a small but mighty rifle that's perfect for your next adventure outside. When we say that it's easygoing, we don't mean that it's gonna take it lightly on your target. Nope, we mean that it's gonna take it easy on you. In other words, it's gonna cut you some slack, but your target would wish they had never met you. Talking about the size, we already mentioned that it's small. The rifle is small enough to fit snugly into your backpack or the cargo area of a plane or a boat. You know, just in case you never know where trouble will meet you. It's so lightweight, you may sometimes think it's been stolen from your backpack. This rifle isn't so expensive either. It costs just around $350 to $400. Oh boy, when it comes to shotguns, just give it up for the Mossberg 500. It's a shotgun that carries serious power. As a new gun owner, don't let that get you worked up. Even though it's a deadly shotgun, it's nothing you can't control even as a new gun owner. That's not even the juicy part. Do you know the shotgun has been famously praised for being the do-it-all gun? It's called the all-purpose shotgun because it has the capability to handle all your shooting needs, from hunting and self-defense to range shooting. It'll fit just right in. Guess what? It costs just $250. Yep, all that sauce for just $250. As a new gun owner who loves pistols, you can find only a few other options such as the Canik Mete SFT included in this list. It's not hype when I tell you that nothing is confusing about the features and technology of this pistol. Even your friend who just can't get a shot right or use any gun can wield this one. There's no rocket science or ambiguity to its usage. I love to call it the point, aim, and shoot pistol. I mean, that's literally all you need to do. Being a new gun owner, you may not get everything at once, so this pistol cuts you some slack while you learn. It also allows you to mount a mini red dot sight. For even better accuracy and precision. Every manufacturer should copy this pistol's simplicity. The Canik Mete SFT is priced at just around $500, a price tag perfect for a new gun owner. Having already mentioned a pistol, rifle, and shotgun on this list, there's also the Smith & Wesson Model 686, a revolver that needs no introduction. Perfect for new gun owners who desire the best of the best for their shooting needs. This revolver isn't just very easy to operate, it's also built to last and take anything with its tough stainless steel construction. A gun that would last a very long time is a very valuable asset to every new gun owner. This revolver is like a trusty old friend, reliable, dependable, and always there when needed with a perfect blend of classic style and modern functionality. You'll just fall in love with how smooth the action on this thing is. What a gun! The Smith & Wesson Model 686 costs around $900 to get off the shelf, but it's worth it. The Ruger 1022 is another great option for new gun owners. It's like a classic apple pie, and it's just as sweet. Like every other gun on this list, this rifle is very easy to use with a design that makes it very comfortable to handle. You know how your kid likes the room pink or red and the bed away from the window or probably close? That's the way you can customize this pistol into your own. So, whether you're a plinker looking for some affordable gun or a prepper preparing for the apocalypse, the Ruger 1022 is a must-have in your arsenal. The fun part is that this rifle doesn't even cost much. With just $300, you can purchase this powerful gun as a new gun owner. That's a steal. The number of safety features that the Taurus G3C packs just makes it so interesting for any new gun owner. I'm talking about safety features like a striker block, manual safety, trigger safety, and loaded chamber indicator. I mean, just look at all these and tell whether it's not a gun for new gun owners. You could even just keep it on the dining table where your kids are and walk out, ensuring they won't get it to fire accidentally. Even more interesting is that this pistol is built to take whatever comes your way and can shoot a high capacity of 12 rounds of 9mm ammunition. A whole amount of people have also commented on the Taurus G3C for its affordability, and with a price tag of just $300, it's hard to see why not. Okay, bonus tip. As a new gun owner, get to know your local shooting community. Joining a local shooting club, taking firearms training courses, or participating in shooting events can help you connect with like-minded individuals, learn from experienced shooters, and gain valuable insights into gun ownership. Plus, it's a fantastic way to make new friends who share your passion for firearms. You might just find your new favorite shooting buddy. One hell of a pistol. That's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about the Springfield Armory Hellcat. How can a pistol be so small yet boast so much that even the big-headed cannot? You see, when it comes to pistols, it's not always about the size. The size doesn't always determine how good a pistol is. Some say a big pistol is better than a smaller one because it has enough space to pack features, but that's not true. Some smaller pistols are even by far better. This pistol is also very lightweight, making it very comfortable for new gun owners. The Springfield Armory Hellcat is priced between $600 and $1,000, which isn't too expensive if you check out the quality. You've probably heard of the Heritage Rough Rider before, but it's so good that it's worth mentioning again. This single-action 22 LR revolver is perfect for new gun owners who want an affordable, reliable, and fun-to-shoot firearm. With its classic Old West-inspired design and modern features, the Rough Rider offers a unique shooting experience that's hard to resist. Featuring a 6-round capacity and a variety of barrel lengths, this revolver is a blast to shoot out the range or out in the field. Plus, its simple design and manual safety make it a great option for beginners looking to learn the basics of gun handling and marksmanship. With this wonderful revolver, you'll fall in love with your gun over and over again. Even better, it has a price tag perfect for new gun owners. I mean, even your kid's savings can buy this. The Heritage Rough Rider 22 LR is just around $150 to $300. Among pistols, it's hard to beat the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus in a conversation. It has all the trophies, star features, and results to back up its point, and if you truly check it out, it's not a lie. The pistol is like the little black dress of the firearm market, versatile, reliable, and always in style. Whether you're looking for a concealed carry option or a home defense firearm, the M&P Shield Plus has you covered. It features an 18-degree grip angle and a low slide profile that offers intuitive control and pointability, making it easy to handle for shooters of all skill levels. The new flat trigger ensures consistent finger placement and accurate shooting even under pressure. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus sells for just $500, and if you're a new gun owner, it'll be a match made in heaven. Before even talking about the Glock 19 Gen 5, you already know what Glock handguns are known for, right? Its simplicity, affordability, and versatility, and this particular pistol is no exception. In fact, it's one of the best of the Glocks. This 9mm pistol has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable and versatile handguns on the market, which makes it an excellent choice for new gun owners. It features a sleek design and improved ergonomics that's easy to handle and comfortable to shoot, with a 15+1 magazine capacity that allows for extended shooting sessions without frequent reloads. Plus, with its 3 separate automatic safeties and ambidextrous slide stop lever, you can rest assured that your safety is always a top priority. I don't think it gets better than the Glock 19 Gen 5 for new gun owners, and it costs around $600 at that. Embarking on your journey as a new gun owner can be both exciting and daunting. But with this lineup of reliable, versatile, and fun-to-shoot firearms, you're well on your way to finding the perfect gun that fits your needs and preferences. Remember, being a responsible gun owner goes beyond just shooting the right firearm. It's also about learning proper gun safety, practicing regularly, and respecting the power that comes with owning a gun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the mix of things for more videos like this one. If you enjoyed it, you can also share it and give us a thumbs up. Happy shooting, y'all!